In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with the Move-In Ready theme for Equity. When you order the Move-In Ready theme, you will receive an email with the download link for both Move-In Ready and for the Equity Framework. If you didn't get that email, check your spam folder, or you can also go to agentevolution.com to my account. And under my account, you will have your downloads where you can download those zip files. Download both the Move-In Ready zip file and the Equity zip file. So we've already downloaded those files to our computer, so now we're going to install them on our site. Here's our site, which is using the default WordPress theme. We're going to go to the dashboard, and here in the dashboard, the first thing we're going to do is go to the Appearance menu, and under Appearance we're going to select Themes. Okay, we're going to go up here where it says Add New. Now the first thing we need to do is to install the Equity Framework. That must be installed before the Move-In Ready theme. So we're going to upload that theme, click Choose File, and upload that zip file from our computer. So let's find Equity Zip. There we go. And install that. Okay, it's now installed. There's no need to activate it. It just needs to be there before you install Move-In Ready. So we're going to click on the link to return to the themes page, and we're going to do the same thing for the Move-In Ready zip file. We're going to add new. We're going to upload theme, choose file, and choose that Move-In Ready zip. There we go. And install that. Now once that's installed, we can go ahead and activate it now. And let's go to the front of our site and refresh. And you'll see now we have Move-In Ready installed. Now you'll see that the home page isn't configured yet, neither are our menus. We have later videos on how to do that. So come back to this site and check the videos for setting up your menus and configuring your home page. Now once you install that, you need to enter the API key and API email address for Equity. Now you can click on the link here, or you can go to the Equity menu to license and enter those API keys there. And again, those should be in the email. If you don't see them, you can get them under My Account. You'll have your API keys listed here. Okay, now once these are installed, some people find it's easy to set up their site if they have some sample content to work with as an example. So we have included sample content in the Move-In Ready theme, and I'm going to show you how to install that sample content. When you download Move-In Ready, extract that zip file on your computer with whatever zip file extraction method you have, and you will get, here's my Move-In Ready directory. Inside that is a folder called XML, and inside that XML folder are two XML files, one for the basic content, which are posts, pages, and menus, and one for listings that requires the WP Listings plugin. We're going to start with the basic content first. So let's go back to our site, and in our dashboard we're going to go down to Tools. Let's scroll down a little bit. Under Tools, select Import, and then we want to select WordPress because we're importing from WordPress. Now importing from WordPress requires the WordPress Importer plugin, and you can install it right here. Just click Install Now, and then click the link to activate the plugin and run the importer. Okay, now that we've done that, we just need to choose that XML file for the basic content. So let's choose that file. Let's go to my Move-In Ready that I've extracted here. Go to XML and select the basic content. And then we click the button to upload the file and import. Now once you do that, first thing you need to do is assign an author to that content. You can create a new user, or you can select one of the users you already have on your site. And this is so for the author for those posts and pages. So I'm going to select my existing user, which is Agent Evo. And below that you have a checkbox to download and import file attachments. Tick that little box because these are the images that are in those posts and pages. So you want to be sure and check that. Then click Submit. Okay, we've imported our content now. So we can check that now if I go to the front of my site and say I go to my blog page here. And you'll see now we've imported all these posts that have the images there that you can use. And we've also imported pages as well. Okay, now if you want to import the listings, it requires the WP Listings plugin. So we need to install that first before we import that content. So we're going to go to the Plugins menu, Add New, and we're going to search for the WP Listings plugin. There we go, WP Listings by Agent Evolution. Install that. And we're going to activate that plugin. Okay, now we're ready to import those listings. So let's go back to the Tools menu again, back to Import, select WordPress again. Now we're going to choose that listings XML file. There we go, open that, and then Upload File and Import. And again, we want to assign a user and check the box for the images. Now you'll see I got some failed to import bathrooms and bedrooms, and that's because I haven't set up the bedrooms and bathrooms taxonomy in my listings. I can set those up later. But if I go to the listings menu to listings, you'll see all those sample listings have been imported now. And that's how you get started with the Move-In Ready theme for Equity.